We install products for companies all over the US in different states. So if any accountants on the call right now are thinking, boop, boop, sales tax. Okay, got that. We don't sell products, we only install products. Okay, so maybe not sales tax. We get paid from the company that sells the product, the customer we install for. So let's establish a little chain of events here. There's a company that sells a product, company A sells a product to the customer and says, hey, we'll send out company B to handle the install for you. So clearly, company A probably charge sales tax. But the question is, the company that sells the product, yeah, they pay for the installs. So we pay taxes on that money, even though that customer did not pay us at the location we installed it. Do we pay taxes in the state we installed the product that we didn't sell? We get paid from the company that sold the product to them. The customer that we did the installation for pays the company that we install for. So I get this. So it looks like this isn't a question about sales tax. It looks like it's a question about income tax. And the short answer is, since this issue is state specific, right? I mean, you're going to have to pay federal income taxes on the company's profits. But regarding any state returns, the issue, the red hot word that you're going to want to pay attention to is nexus. And it depends on the state. Now, since you're talking about a lot of states, you'd have to do a lot of research, and I have somebody whose contact information I want to post for you. But really, what matters is where the work is being performed. And even the nexus rules could change from state to state, but in general, if the work is being performed in a particular state, then you may have nexus there. And if you have nexus, which is spelled N-E-X-U-S, I'm going to type that out. If the company has nexus there, they may be required to file income tax returns there. This question doesn't, it seems to imply income tax and not sales taxes. However, look into sales taxes as well, in case that's an issue, because in all the states that I've done businesses with, services are not subject to sales tax, but I haven't done business in all 50 states. So look into that as well, but it seems like this is more of an income tax question, and you're going to want to do some research, state specific research. So what I'm going to do right now is that you can either tell your CFO to do that research, and the question is, do we have nexus in, I'm going to make up a state, Nevada? Do we have nexus in Nevada because we made X amount of dollars from doing installations there? And then your CFO should know what the word nexus means and should be able to research that answer. But if your CFO is too busy or your CFO's expertise is in other areas, I'm going to post here the contact information for somebody who is the CPA's CPA. This guy is a state and local tax expert. He's been a state auditor before, and if he doesn't know the answer off the top of his head, he has all the research materials and the knowledge about which ones to go to, how to interpret the answers. He's so good at this, it's crazy. His name is Jack Schmull, and he's based in North Carolina. And I'm just going to give you his name and email address right here. Oh, that's interesting. Jonathan is weighing in. Services are taxable in Hawaii. Great example. Services are not subject to sales tax in other states, but in some other states, but in Hawaii they are. 25 to 30 states on a yearly basis. Yeah. So you're going to want to get that nexus information down pat for those 25 to 30 states to find out if there is an income tax filing requirement and if there is a sales tax requirement, because here's another place where the company can be on the line. If services are taxable, installation services, where the work is being done, then the company is required to collect and remit sales tax on those services. But here's the kicker. If your company doesn't collect them from the customer, you're still required to submit them to the state. Is that crazy, right? I know, what do you mean? That's part of our profits. Yeah, well, you should have collected them from the customer. that's what the state is going to say when they come in and do a sales tax audit. That's what they're going to say. You should have collected it. So you definitely want to get on top of this, both from the perspective of income tax and of sales tax.